Quick heads up, YouTube is updating the live control room to unify mobile and desktop tools. Some of you already have the updated panel, and YouTube has moved certain blocks to new locations, so the layout may look different from what you're used to. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where stream keys live now, how to create and switch them, especially if you run multiple streams, and which settings to check before you go live. So you don't waste time hunting through menus. Open YouTube Studio and click Go Live. We'll create a new stream so you can see the updated layout from a clean slate, and you'll land inside the refreshed live control room. Here's the big change. Stream key management has moved into the main stream settings window. Open stream settings, and you'll see your current stream key with a copy button. And if you have more than one, there's a selector to choose from your existing keys. If you need a new key, click Create New Stream Key. Set it up, and it will immediately appear in your list. Running more than one stream or testing different encoders? Just take the key you want from the drop-down and you're set. If you run recurring shows, don't rebuild everything from scratch each time. Use reuse settings from a previous stream to pull in your title, description, thumbnail, visibility, category, and the stream key you used last time. It's a fast, reliable way to keep formatting consistent across episodes or playlists. Before you leave stream settings, check two toggles that save a ton of clicks. Turn on Auto Start and Auto Stop. With those enabled, your encoder can start and end the broadcast without you having to return to Studio to press Go Live or End Stream. If you later reuse settings for the next event, those choices carry over. Next, choose your latency based on the kind of interaction you want. Normal latency is the safest for stability and quality. Use it when real-time chat responsiveness isn't critical. Low or ultra-low latency makes chat feel snappier and Q&A more natural, but it gives you a bit less buffer headroom and may limit some features at higher resolutions. If you're unsure, start with normal, test, then step down to low as your format requires. One optional switch that viewers love: enable DVR. With DVR on, people can pause and rewind during your live stream and then resume where they left off, which boosts watch time and keeps late arrivals engaged. That's the tour. In the updated live control room, some blocks have been moved by YouTube, and stream keys now live inside stream settings. You can create new keys or switch between existing ones in a couple of clicks. Reuse settings to speed up repetitive setups. Flip on Auto Start and Auto Stop for hands-off control from the encoder. Pick the latency that matches your format, and enable DVR if you want viewers to pause and replay moments. Copy your stream key. Copy the stream URL. Paste both into your encoder, and you're ready to go live. Short, clear, and nothing here should slow you down.
What's Gyre? Gyre is the tool for launching continuous streams on YouTube. Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.